What is Forex trading means? Forex trading includes foreign currency trade. One can sell one country's currency here to buy another's currency. The trader deals at the most appropriate time in foreign exchange, Forex, to take advantage of the transaction. Good forecasting ability plays a crucial role here. One might wonder how Forex trading can be such a lucrative opportunity to earn as exchange fluctuations are so small. But note, a small change can mean a lot when made in large volumes. It also has many non-monetary benefits. Anyone who wants to deal with Forex can do that because it needs only basic knowledge. A lot of money can be gained from Forex. But before dealing in Forex, there are certain requirements to meet. First of all, one must have a thorough knowledge of the stock market movements. The fundamentals of the ability to trade and take risks. You will very easily get all the help you need to achieve these conditions. There are a number of websites on the internet that can help you to explain your basics and help you to brave the weather. A good reason to consider Forex trading is the fact that currency fluctuations are frequent. Though it may be small in percentage terms, you gain if you are favored by the fluctuation, and the reverse also holds true. Nobody can predict the currency trend accurately. Liquidity is another reason for the popularity of Forex trading. Now the most important part in Forex, even if your initial investment is on a lower side. You can make huge sums of money. As little as 800 for the lot if you trade in USD/INR intraday trading in India. Rich people do not have the upper limit on the investment amount. So remember that the earning ability is undoubtedly very enormous even with a nominal investment. Most of today's big business is linked to the internet world. And Forex trading is no exception. From home, you can deal in foreign currencies. In fact, it's done entirely online. When you want to trade, you have the right to choose and you don't have to follow any deadlines. You can be your own boss, basically. The online trading process is quite straightforward for anyone to understand. You only need to open a Forex trading account with a known broker and the rest of the formalities will be completed. The only thing you need to do is get your investment amount ready. Therefore, it is obvious that Forex trading can be one of the best ways to earn money. Keep learning. Keep earning. And I as always say practice. Practice. And practice. Best place to learn about stock market training. Technical analysis training. Price action trade. Fundamental analysis training. Options trading training. Forex trading training. Commodities trading training at NCFM Academy Hyderabad.in. Visit NCFM Academy Hyderabad number 406 Annapurna Block, Aditya Enclave, near Maitravanam, Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. Call +91 7702 486328 landline +9140 48560292.